I always say profit first and then we champion the social second. But we're very, very active on being sustainable. My name is Adeniyi Adenubi. I'm Executive Director and Co-founder of VFD Group.
Where would you say your starting point was when you co-founded VFD?
In my mid-20s, I was an investment banker in London. And after about 3 or 4 years in investment banking and consulting, I started thinking about my country and the continent. And I started thinking how to build businesses and create value in that space. My only expertise is investment banking, so I very quickly set up an investment management firm called Paragon Partners. And since that time, we've created this 10-year strategy to build out initially a financial services holding company, now a diversified investment company looking at financial services, power, education, and also media, actually.
I was reading through the VFD Group kind of corporate strategy, and it was interesting to see the words about building positive and socially conscious ecosystems. Do you really go in with a socially conscious kind of agenda?
I think the balance is extremely important. When we came up with that concept, for us, sustainability was what was very important. So we want sustainable businesses where they're profitable, but they're also socially conscious. We're building people, we're lifting people out of poverty, we're giving people chances for access to capital, either debt financing for their businesses, equity financing for their businesses. They go on to employ people. And those things matter to us because without that sustainability, you can't build an ecosystem and a country that has viable jobs for the young population. So that was very key to what we were trying to achieve. However, if you do all those things and you don't make money, you're also unsustainable.
In terms of market share, what are you aiming? What are you targeting? What's the next kind of phase for you?
Some of that information is private and confidential, but what I'll tell you is that we have a race till half year 2011 to gain about 15% of the total banking market to be on our platform. And then once we do that, we'll ascertain that VBank is already, a success. And then going from there, we'll start to build on that. But the initial plan is 15 to 20% of the initial banking market. And I think we're doing quite well. And we believe that even before half year next year, we'll have met that target.
What's the most exciting sector for you right now? Where are you seeing the best opportunities coupled with the social impact, as you say, and of course the profits? Where are you seeing the best alignment at the moment?
I would say easily it's in financial technology. I know that's been oversold, but I think the story of Africa cannot oversell the concept of involving 80-90% of the entire population, bringing them into the financial space, bringing them into the banking sector. Till today, I think we still have about 40 million bank accounts only in Nigeria, out of a population of about 200 million. We'll probably look at power. Power is also quite interesting. So I'd say it's fintech, and then I'd say as we go along, we'll transition a little bit into power.
So if I say in 5-10 years from now, because clearly you and your team are thinking in the long term, what's the plan? Do you want to be a pan-African banking giant, a group, across many sectors?
We want to be a pan-African investment company. We're already looking at Ghana. We've started to have conversations in Ghana. We're looking to deploy either payment or a small bank or payments bank in Ghana using the VBank platform. From Ghana, we'd also look at Kenya, which is a very exciting market. So we definitely have ambitions for Africa, and if we get lucky in our lifetime as well, we'll have global ambitions also. But I'm quite hopeful that we can also land that in our lifetime.